out of here. Y'all cousins is being loud. You guys, I have to show you the most amazing room I've ever stayed in Vegas. All the times I've been here, this is by far the most amazing room. You guys, yeah, here we go. So you come in and there is a half bath, right? You're like, okay, that's nice. No, wait on it. So, walk into my kitchen, whole kitchen situation with the stove, okay? In the kitchen, wrist twist up like it's stir fry with the oven. It's definitely a dishwasher, not an oven. Yeah. The Frigidaire, okay, this whole situation. Are you ready? Wait on it, wait on it. Oh, living room. Living room with panoramic views. Do you hear me? Panoramic views. It's beautiful. Hi. It's beautiful. Got the fireplace going already. You know what I'm saying? Out here, this ain't much of a view, but you can see the mountains. It's beautiful. Mountains over here, right? Little living room action. Not like anybody's gonna be in here. Television. Look at this dope furniture. You guys know I'm gonna take pictures. And the strip. Yo, son. Then we come around to the bedroom. Got the tub in this junk. Where is my man when I need him? And yes, bedroom. Then we're gonna bring it around town down this hallway. Oh, this is closets. All this is just closets. Closets, closets, closets. When you open the closets, they light up. Babe, this is what I want in my closet. Anyway, closets. There's a little vanity space right here where you can sit and get fine. And then this is the main bathroom. Look at this shower. Look at this shower. Oh, it's so pretty. And the little water closet. You can actually close that door, so it is an actual full water closet. TV in the bathroom, the sinks, like, you guys, like, this is a lituation. I am about to turn all the way up. I ain't had no sleep, but I'm about to get into it. So, we're about to get into Vegas. Yes!
And that's the latest on top of the original University. You surpass the height of the ancient pyramids of Egypt, as well as the not-so-ancient pyramid on the Strip.
It was dope. It was dope. But now we're leaving. And we are out of here. Y'all cousins is being loud. But anyway, we're on our way now to Caesar's Palace to go to the Bacchanal buffet. I'm super excited. It's actually my favorite place to eat in Vegas, which is weird because I really don't bang with buffets like that. But this buffet is everything. So I'm really excited. I've never been during the week, so I'm excited about that too, to see like what's different, what they got that's different or whatever. So that's cool, that's what's up. And I will get back at y'all once we get seated and get into this food. Okay. So we're here. I've actually been here. Sorry, you guys. I was really into these crab legs. I had all the crab legs, and now I'm eating real food. So here's what I got: cheese, some brisket, some elote, a rib, and some spicy sausage. and watermelon fresca, little agua fresca. Super excited, and it smells delicious. Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Say what, we're leaving. I'm not okay, I'm not doing very well. It's been great here in Vegas. I'm sorry I have not vlogged a lot. I did a bunch of content on my IG stories, so hopefully you caught that. But yeah, we're about to leave. We're not leaving Vegas, but we are leaving this beautiful, breathtaking room. I'm kind of sad about it. But our flight leaves tonight, so we about to hit the strip, and we about to get into not get into some trouble, because we're saved, praise God. But we are about to go eat at Nacho Daddy, so super excited about that. Hopefully I remember to vlog. If I don't, I'm sorry. But I wanted to put this vlog up because your girl's getting ready to move. Hello. And I wanted to put some content out because I haven't put anything out in a couple of weeks, but literally in a few days, I am moving. Like, I'm moving on Christmas Day, and I'm super excited and nervous, but excited. And then shortly after I move, a couple days later, going out of the country on vacation to Punta Cana. I'm just out here living my best life. Do it, baby, do it, baby. That's me right now. So anyway, just wanted to bring you guys along on a little piece of a journey. Yo, so it's like 2:30 and I bought movie tickets so my mom and I could come in the movie theater and go to sleep. I literally bought tickets to see The Grinch. Real rap. Hold on, wait on it. Real rap. Bought tickets to see The Grinch so we could go to sleep in the movie theater. We're never gonna see the whole movie. We're gonna sleep. We set an alarm. We're gonna get up, go back to our hotel, pick up our bags, go to the airport. I am Vegas out. Vegas out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment down below, anything that you want. Yeah, I have an update for my ministry channel as well, and I have something really, really big getting ready to roll out very soon, which you guys will be one of the first to know about. So stay tuned, super excited for all of the things that are happening in 2019, and yeah, let's get it.